morning everyone. I am Nilesh Yadav from 11th Science from Sir Dr. M.S. Kosari College of Commerce and Science. These are my group members. Here we have prepared a model of comparative study of vaccinated and non-vaccinated individuals for COVID-19. The coronavirus was first addressed in Wuhan, China in late 2019. This disease spread through the small droplets expelled through the nose or mouth or any opening of infected person. Therefore, standing close to the infected person can lead to risk. The disease can also spread by landing on our hand and can transfer to eyes, nose or mouth and cause infection. As soon as the virus enters our body, it has to face many barriers made by our body. The first barrier is anatomical barrier. The internal structure of respiratory tract forms the anatomical barrier. It includes mucous membrane and ciliated epithelium. The mucous membrane secretes mucus to trap pathogens, and the hair-like structure called cilia present in our trachea. It removes the bacteria or pathogens outside our nose. Next barrier is physiological barrier that my partner Karan will explain.
Good morning everyone, my name is Karan Shinde. I am here to tell you about the physiological barriers. As soon as the pathogen reaches to the target cell, as soon as the pathogen reaches to the target cell, our body shows certain type of alteration in metabolism and function, which is form of physiological barrier. It shows increase in the body temperature, which causes fever. As you can see here, inhibit the growth of pathogen in the body. It is also observed that the acidity is increasing in the physiological barrier. Acid kills invading pathogens. But somehow the pathogens get active and go to the next barrier. The next barrier is about immunological barrier, which my colleague Divya will tell you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Gayatri Desai. I explain you immunological barrier. Immunological barrier is a high level of body's defense mechanisms by which body strictly prevent pathogens to cause a disease. A person with a powerful immunity get protect from the several diseases thought the pathogens get enter in the body. Immunological barrier has two main types of have two main types. The first one is a phagocytic barrier. Phagocytosis is a process in which cells like neutrophils, monocytes and macrophages engulf the pathogen or any harmful foreign substance and destroy it. If pathogens are higher in quantity and phagocytic cells are limited, then some of the active pathogens may create illness. And next explain Arya.
Good afternoon, my name is Arya Satpute. Today I will explain antigen and antibodies. Active pathogen gets surrounded by special protein molecules secreted by plasma cell of WBC. It is called as antibodies. Here pathogen is called as antigen and special defense protein is called as antibodies. In case of corona infection, our body does not adopted antibodies to fight against coronavirus initially. Hence coronavirus get easy enter in the target cell and cause illness if person is not vaccinated. This is a coronavirus and here is the antibodies. In case of non-vaccinated person, enter of coronavirus in the body causes COVID-19 disease. When this is coronavirus and this is spikes, when active reaches to their target cell, spikes proteins get attached with the cell surface reception and virus get in the cell by forming endocytic vesicle. Virus release genomic RNA molecule into the cell and proteins copies by virus by using the resources. Thousands of newly produced by virus released from host cell by by lysis of cells and infect nearby cells, hence infection produce rapidly and serious illness. Now we will see the importance of vaccination. Vaccination is a formation of inactivated pathogen which teach our body immune system to produce adaptive antibodies against active pathogen. This is COVID, and this is the antibodies around them which protecting ourselves from the COVID-19. In case of COVID-19 vaccine, our body produce antibodies against spike proteins of active virus and keep the virus away. And this is the virus. They keep away from their target cell. This is how our body get protected. This is virus and this is soldier around them. These soldiers means the antibodies of the COVID-19. And this how our body get protected. Entire virus immediately covered and destroyed by antibodies so that the body get protected by the COVID. That's how the vaccination is too important for the COVID-19. Thank you.